Hello traders, this is Des here at Grok Trade on Wednesday, January 30th, 2013. Markets are in the red. We had the S&P down 0.4%, the Dow down 0.3%, Nasdaq down 0.36%, Russell's down a whopping 1.15%, banks off by 0.4%. Volatility index, the fear indicator, the VIX, spiking higher, 7.6%, now over 14. Commodities are up. We have gold up 0.75%, silver up nearly 2%, crude oil up 0.6%, and the dollar looks like we're down 0.41%. What's interesting here is for the dollar to be so weak, they should have given some nice bullish action to the markets, but we're not seeing that. And transportation index off by 1.54%, which is lagging the Dow big time. Now check this out, utility sector. This is the index for utilities actually in bullish territory. That is a defensive sector here. So the market's under significant strain. Facebook just came out with earnings and they did beat expectations. However, the profit margin falls sharply. Now you can see we closed around 31.24, but if I go to a 5-minute chart, oh, check this out, we did drop, but at this moment we're coming right back up. We're at 31.40 and some change. Wow, big V bottom reversal pattern coming right back higher. Interesting. We'll see how this one plays itself out. It initially didn't like the news, but now it has been digested quite well. Let's take a look here at the S&P daily. Oh, right before I get into this, everybody that was part of the webinar the other night, the premium market internals webinar, I did email out to all of you the recording of that premium educational event. It was 2 hours long, so be very patient with the download when you get it. Check this out. Tweezer top reversal pattern after a rise off of a high base formation breakout. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 7, 8. That's an extended run. We're ready for a pullback, and it looks like it might be here on this trend line. Resistance, 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 resistance. We have a tweezer top reversal pattern, and we also have a bearish harami pattern. Closing back below a main trend line coming higher, breaking support levels. We are now set up for a nice drop. So the next drop that we get could be a dandy one. So keep your ears and eyes open for that. If you look here at the weekly chart, week by no means is over, halfway through, but we have a big fat doji right now at a resistance point. Resistance, resistance, doji at a resistance after an extended run. Of course, we're in for a market correction. So be ready for it. Take a look here at the VIX. This is the weekly chart. You can see this rolling over, finding support, and now there's the bounce. We have a lot of upside potential, gang, on the volatility or VIX indicator. The higher this goes, the more bearish the market is. Let's take a look while we're here at gold. This is a weekly chart. This huge trend line that goes way back here. This right here puts us around 2008. It's major trend line coming higher, and perhaps around here. Now that area is acting busted here, support, busted support. Now that support's acting as resistance. So it's got a little bit of fight on its hands. If we go to a daily chart, you can see we're within this triangle here, heading higher. We have the 50-day moving average that could act as some sort of resistance. Take a look at Google. Google shot up on Wednesday, pulled right back. So we have a base, but it tried to get past this 760 and only did it for a short time and pulled right back. So a lot of selling into that strength. And Apple did a whole lot of nothing on Wednesday, and I already showed you Facebook here, and it has a resistance point. It'd be really interesting to see what tomorrow brings us. So there you have it. Share us with a friend. Take care. We'll talk to you guys later.